week's video, it's basically the whole week as, you know, I'm employing in the shop, whether we're doing podcasts, interviews, you know, whether we're stocking product, putting stuff together to ship out, repairing skis, racing skis, whatever the case may be, it's all going down in this week's video. It's pretty cool. What's up, guys, and welcome to another episode on the channel. As you guys remember from the last video, this bad boy's got some rod knock. So me and Angel are ripping apart the motor today, taking it out, disassembling it, checking to see what went wrong. Hopefully it's something simple, we could fix it. I'm sure there's some bearings, probably gonna need a crank, but you know, that's pretty simple stuff. So we're gonna get going on this. You'll see the process, us pulling the motor out. What happened, bro?
Pain.
Oh no. This got the peepees. So yeah, gotta take that thing apart, fix it, give you guys a little look here. This is the first logo for the business, I guess. I made it when I worked at another place. I worked at a tire shop, and I made this on Microsoft Paint on the computer. So I dug this out of the garage. I'll probably hang it up. All right, as you guys can see, we have the motor out. Angel's starting to disassemble all the accessories outside of the engine. Then we're gonna go ahead and stick it on the stand. Once we get it on the stand, we're gonna take the bottom end apart, see what kind of damage we got on the bottom end. Once we see what we gotta replace on that, we'll probably remove the head, get the head gasket out. That way we could freshen everything else up all around the engine, so stay tuned. All right, we have the motor complete disassembled. 2 rods and pistons are fine. This last rod here is no bueno. And you can see the bearing is literally almost one piece with the crank. So, and then Angel has the oil pump. When we tilted the motor, that's all bearing material. The bearing pretty much disintegrated, so I gotta pull this piston out of here, replace the rod and the piston more than likely. We're gonna replace that crank, and then we're gonna freshen up the whole motor. We're gonna clean it up, change all the bearings, change the timing chain, change the oil pumps. We're just gonna refresh the whole thing and put it back together, and hopefully he has a trouble-free ski for a couple $100. All right, so we got the RXC's motor and everything boxed up here in the underneath the table, all the parts. We're gonna wait for all the parts to come in so we can clean up everything, put it together, put it back in the ski. We'll document that process as we do that as well. Angel's working on this GTX. Finally got the steering cable, just came in. You could see right here. This thing is shot. Damn, it's raining. I'm gonna go to the gas station, get us some drinks, and I'm gonna try to beat this rain. Oh, let me show you guys one thing real quick. So this is obviously the extra bays that we were working on. Check this out. This thing is ready to go. So as soon as this hole is cut in this wall, I'm gonna start making these catch cans, making sure we don't run out of stock on these things anymore. That way I can get y'all off my back. All right, so we got the steering cable replaced on the GTX. It starts up fine, runs fine. We're gonna probably test that out later on the water, make sure that it's all good. I have to do some intake grates on these two guys as soon as we're done with what we got going inside. Angel's describing the situation to Mr. Mark. And on this one, it's the next one we got into for today. We're doing stage 1 plus. So it was already a stage 1, so we're adding the plus to it. So it's getting the Solus impeller with the stainless steel wear ring, the Fizzle silicone piping. And as you can see, guys, this thing, he was complaining about real bad cavitation and, you know, no top speed. So this is a big reason why the 300s lose their speed right here, because the wear rings are beat up, props are beat up. So we're gonna get that taken out. We're gonna replace that, install it, and you know, on to the next ski that we gotta fix. Today we got Mr. Frank coming down. We're gonna be doing flywheel bolts, camshaft, valve train, and we're gonna go out to the water and test it, put another flash onto it, and we're gonna see how the ski does. The ski is a 2017 300, I wanna say, RXP, that was struggling to get into, you know, the mid 80 range. So I told him we gotta make a couple adjustments, change a couple things, and then hopefully he should see those numbers that he's looking for. Gotta get, you know, a couple things organized and get things going. So one quick thing I wanted to talk about, and it's kind of been annoying me, which it's not like you guys care, but I figure I'll let y'all know. So there's a lot of people online, you know, whether they be random people, YouTubers, just people online, man, talking a lot of crap, you know, like just bashing other companies, you know, just, I don't get it. If you're a person and you're bashing other companies or down talking them, it's like, yo, then you do it, you know, you do something. You know, we're in this industry, we're improving the hobby, you know, we're improving the industry, we're bringing a different style to the market. I don't know what happened to the GoPro at the shop, but obviously it didn't record crap. But we got Frank's RXPX 300, the motor, we pulled it out, did the flywheel bolts, valve train, new cam, and now we're at the ramp. We're gonna come test it. I got Juan's in the middle we're testing, and then both of these guys, Alex, we're gonna test those. Had some sponson issue, stock sponsons were like coming off for some reason. I don't know. So we're gonna check them out, see how it does. We did some intake grates, see how they go with that, and then hopefully everything goes smooth. So we're hiding under this lock here from the rain while we wait for Frank to get down here. Where he at, yo? Where you at, Frank? Wayne? Alright guys, it's Friday, it's the last day of this video. Like I said, this whole entire week we've covered several different jobs, several different things we've been doing. We're doing a couple stage ones today. It's gonna clean up the shop. As you guys can see, we've been putting up lights after lights after lights, been changing all the lights out. Everything is starting to look a lot nicer, a lot different, a lot brighter. We're just getting ready to get this other side opened up. So, it's gonna be lit. Last day of work. Alright, went ahead, got JETSKI all buttoned up. Gonna head to the water real quick and test that. I got another GTX to test. And we're gonna just keep on grinding. Angel's gonna stay here and work's gonna lap some valves in. And yeah, hopefully we keep chugging, end this video, and you'll see what it's like to be at JP Racing for a week. Alright guys, so we got JETSKI we're about to put in the water. It's a 2017 RXT X300, stage 1. Hopefully get him into the 80 mile an hour mark. And then I got Juan's older GTX 185. Been having a bunch of running issues. Obviously it's an older ski, so hopefully I got all that taken care of. We're gonna test it, make sure that's good, and head back to the shop and keep it going. All right guys, so I'm out on JETSKI right now testing. This is a 2017 RXT X300. We went ahead and did a stage 1 setup on it today. I'm gonna show you guys. It's already gone 79. The water is fairly choppy out here, so I went to a little spot in the river where it's a little calmer, where I could hit some numbers. But it hit 79 coming out of the water. Another thing I want you guys to hear is how bad the cavitation is on this ski, because that will also slow it down. Listen to this. You hear how it just revs up and bounces off the limiter? Normally that's a sign of the wear ring being worn out or the prop having nicks in it. So for this ski to hit these numbers in the heat, you know, with the jet pump situation not being optimal, you know, it's still pretty impressive. So I'm gonna say once Eddie does the stage 1 plus setup, there's no reason why this ski shouldn't be in the 82, maybe 83 mile an hour range with that setup. So I'm gonna try for 80 miles an hour, make sure Eddie gets into that 80 plus club, and I'll show you guys a video as I do it. Check it out.
Whoa, right at where we want to be.
There we go, baby. Want to show you before I shut it off?
Yeah.
Yo, so I have these wristbands, right? And I had one that was hanging on by like a little tiny thread. And I put it out here. Still here. Put this thing up here like a week ago. Let's see how long it lasts. And there's something a little special up in that tree, but we ain't gonna tell nobody what's in there. Take Juan's thing back, rode good. Eddie's rode good, 80 mile an hour. Just like I advertised. And we out of here, man. Gonna go back to work at the shop. All right, so it's Sunday, pretty much the last day of this video. It's pretty early actually, it's a little bit after 8. I'm trying to catch the hydro drags, at least the video, the live video that MVP is gonna put up. And I believe Jose Luis is gonna be coming up soon. So I'm gonna wait for that to pop up, watch that video. Man, I wish I could make it there. Unfortunately, I got these guys next door and I gotta babysit them. They're painting the shop next door that we're expanding into. They're doing the floor today, they're doing the walls today, so they're gonna need me to run in and out of like Home Depot or wherever they need stuff from. So I'm gonna watch this video. Hopefully it starts soon. I'm real pumped, and we'll see if we could break a record, man.
Should I go like that? Going back, he's going back. He's cleaning up. Again, everyone, this is Jose
The water
Luis
looks like shit,
on my
man.
PP 1800 turbocharge. Okay, he's going for it. Alright guys,
That was a good
that's
little
one
hit.
pass right there, clean pass.
Brian said that's all we need. What? Holy shit! Holy shit! 135! Whoa! Fuck yeah!
More fast.
Fuck yeah!
1800 turbo charge.
Fuck yeah, bro! What?
Everyone, come over here. Come over here. Turn it up.
Yo, 135. Yo, Brian, you're a fucking animal, dude. You're an animal. Holy crap!
World record. New world record, everyone. Ski, Bill.
Yo, that's
This guy
the
right here,
fastest I've seen
Brian
that ski go
Cooney.
so far. Yo, that's
This guy
insane,
did the
yo.
magic right here. All right, everybody, as you can see. Let me take this phone out. Okay.
Holy crap.
Everybody can see.
The bottle was too.
Yo, I got goosebumps right now, yo. That's freaking crazy, yo. Damn it, man. How do I miss these things?
What's the other one? Oh, you can check it out too? Yeah, I mean, we're out here.
Everybody, please share.
Right here is our official.
This is live. This is coming live, everybody. There's no tricks. This is real.
135.
135, all of them.
Yo,
So it's
four
right here.
GPSs. They're all at 135.
135.
I know, I was like, oh, I hope he hits it again. 'cause
Jose
he did it
Luis,
too early.
what do you have to say, Jose Luis? What do you have to say?
Well,
Who do you want to thank?
I want to thank
Yo, you the man, Jose Luis, bro. You're the man,
This guy
bro.
right here, this guy made it happen.
Woo-hoo!
Tuning, everybody.
Yeah,
Check him
alright.
out.
And also-
BK Build, right here. Follow him on
Yo,
Instagram.
that is lit right there, yo. That is lit.
Oh my God, we're so excited. Only one pass. It only took one single pass, everyone.
Yo, everybody else, go home. Don't even come out. Ah!
All right. 135, baby. Well done, brother. 135. This is coming to you live from MVP Production, official Hydro Drag Media. He's going back.
Yo, that's crazy, yo. I'm
Back to
hyped
shore.
right now.
He already did what he came here to do. He proved it. He made it happen.
Yo, all the shit that everybody was talking, bro. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Look, I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna show y'all who's the king. Ready? I'm gonna show y'all who's the king. Ready? Ready? Right there. Right there. Yo, on the FZR and on the GPs now. Right there. That's the king, bro. That is the king. Everybody else just sit down. Watch the show, yo. Watch the show.